Shib Army, you know I love you, and I've been rocking with you guys forever since May of 2021. I want to make this video. This is not a video talking about any news articles. We always talk about the news. Anything that comes up that's relevant, we address it here on the channel, whether it's burns, use of payment, anything new related to Shibarium. This video is not about any of that. This video is about some people in the comment section, people losing faith in SHIB's ecosystem. And I think I found out the issue here. There's one big problem in crypto. There's one major problem when it comes to community tokens, and especially ones that have skyrocketed in the past. See, here's what happened. Shiba Inu went absolutely parabolic in 2021. Oh, by the way, so did the entire crypto market. SHIB just happened to be the darling, the crypto that made millionaires, literally printed millionaires from investments around $100, $200, $300. If you got in at the right time, you made a ton of money with Shiba Inu. So here's what happened, though. For a lot of the new investors, and by the way, I'm a relatively new investor too, but I'm in it every single day and I'm learning, and I've learned a lot in the last 3 years. Okay, I started in 2020, really heavily investing in crypto. Here's what happened, though. This clouded people's idea of what it means to get into SHIB. So anybody who came in, especially late 2021 or 2022, a lot of these people now are frustrated. Zach, the price hasn't moved in a year and a half. I'm out. SHIB's dead. Blah, blah, blah. Guys, patience is a virtue. I talk about this all the time. Here's the thing. Let's go to 2022. People say it didn't do anything the entire year. What did anything in 2022? Freaking Apple stock went down 50%. Amazon stock plummeted. Go look at all the great companies. They were thrashed in 2022. So was everything else. So was crypto. But let me tell you something. I mentioned this, and I believe this. This is coming from the heart. I think 2022 was a bigger year for SHIB than 2021 was. Why? You probably think I'm crazy for saying that. 2021, yes, we had global adoption, but everything was booming. Everything was going up. You could throw a dart at anything, stocks, crypto, didn't matter. You were going to make money. But here's why I thought 2022 was massive for SHIB, right here. Because every single naysayer, big influencers, people on the internet, people on Twitter said Shiba Inu would crash and burn in the bear market that was 2022. Now, some may say we're still in that bear market. I don't know. It's 2023. Bitcoin's up 83%. I don't know, right? But SHIB in particular pretty much stayed the same on this big board. Still a top 15 crypto. Now, keep in mind, when you're a top 15 crypto, you don't go up 500 to 1,000%. Guys, I'm sick of reading the comments. Zach, when is Shiba Inu going to moon and go crazy? It's a $6.3 billion market cap now. Okay? It's not going to go up 1,000% in a week, especially in this market, in this environment. That doesn't mean that SHIB is still one of those cryptos in the top 100 that has the most upside. I still believe that. Of the top 100 cryptos, I think SHIB has just as much upside as virtually anything, especially when we look at the top 25, top 30. What's more likely to 10x first, Bitcoin or Ethereum or Shiba Inu? SHIB. A 10x would be barely a new all-time high. So hopefully this makes sense. And I'm not yelling at the people in the comments. I'm just frustrated a little bit. And I know it's a lack of education. I know a lot of people out there just frustrated. A lot of people are trying to get rich overnight. A lot of people think, they have this idea that if I throw $500 into this crypto, it's going to make me a millionaire tomorrow or next year. And that's just not how it works, guys. When it comes to investing in crypto, get ready to lose more than you win. But when you win, win big. That's the key. That's what I want you to take away from this video. Don't think for a second that this is easy. It's not. It's not. But this is why I always preach diversify, 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 diversify. I love SHIB. I'm going to continue to cover it every single day. I own a lot of it. I love the upside potential. I love the decentralized nature. I love that the future utilities are just now starting to be built. Shibarium, Metaverse. I'm excited about the future. That's where I stand. And oh yeah, I don't care who the founder was or who doesn't matter. It's a community-driven project. So to me, that's a nothing burger. Personally, it doesn't change anything for me, right? So that's where I'm standing on all of things going on with Shiba right now. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Oh, FOMC meeting tomorrow. We'll see what happens. I'll be live for it. We'll see you then. Peace.